Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Understanding HTML. Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video we are going to proceed further to the concept of anchor links, and we are going to discuss about the attribute of target in anchor link. So let's get started for the video. And before starting the video, I request you guys to do subscribe my YouTube channel so you never miss any kind of update, and do press the bell icon so you can receive a notification of every other single video that we are going to upload on our YouTube channel. And we are making a good series for you guys, and we are trying to give our best so you can understand the concept of HTML. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Understanding HTML, so it will motivate us. So without any ado, let's get started. So in the last video we have discussed about the anchor link, that what is actually anchor link, and we have designed the two pages in the last video, and we have checked and we have tested that the anchor link is working fine or not. So in today's video we will proceed further, and we will have a look that what is the target attribute in anchor link. So let's get started. And the first thing, we are going to create a folder on a desktop, and it will name as practice. And now I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code, and I have opened this one, and I'm going to create a new file, and it will be named as index.html. So I am using IntelliSense. I want to put the initial tags, and the title will be as anchor link attributes, target attribute of anchor link, target attribute of anchor link. And we are going to apply the same scenario, that we are going to create a new web page, and it will be named as page 2. So page2.html is our web page, and this, and we will give the title as page 2. And in today's video we will create two anchor links. So the first anchor link in the body section, AH2F, and its source will be its destination will be a page2.html, and we will write that click here to proceed to page 2 Okay, so I'm going to copy this one as same, and I'm going to write in the and click here to proceed back to page 1. Okay, so in this case I'm going to give a heading tag, and I will name as page 2, and in this one I will give a heading, and I will name it as page 1. So the things are going to start. I am going to reveal the things in the file explorer, and I will reveal my index dot, and I will open it. So whenever I click this one, it will redirect me to the page 2, and whenever I click this one, we have done a mistake. We haven't write the index.html, so it's by mistake. So I'm going to refresh it. I have refreshed the stuff. Now you can see whenever I click here to proceed to page 2, then it redirected me to the page 2, and then after clicking back I am redirected to the page 1. So what are the attributes? The by default attribute of an anchor link is self. What does self mean? Self mean that whenever a user used to click any kind of anchor link, then it should be redirected within a page. It should not be redirected to a new tab. So sometimes we want to redirect our user to third party. As an example, we can take that in a contact us page we have Facebook profile, LinkedIn profile of other. So we desire, as our desire, we desire to that whenever user click to the Facebook button, it should be redirect to a new tab. It should not leave our web page. So in that case we have to put an anchor link, and within an anchor link we have to put a tag attribute that will be named as target, and by default the target is self. So I have created a target that is named as self. So you will see that I have implemented it on the page 2. So on the page 2, whenever I click this one, it will not affect our web page, as I defined that the self target is by default. If I want to change the target to blank, so I want to create a target and it will name as blank. So you will see that whenever I click on this anchor link, the tag will be open in a new tab. So this is the blank. Whenever I click this one, this is a blank. Or you can say that for further conceptual thing, we can put this target into our index page. So in the index anchor link, I am going to put target is equal to blank. So whenever I click this one, so now the page 2 will not open in this web page. It will be redirected to a new tab. So you can see a new tab. So in place of an anchor link, a web source, we can also put a web address. So I'm going to put www.google.com. So whenever user click this link, so he will proceed toward the google.com. So click here to proceed towards the google.com. So you can see now it has been redirected to the google.com. So there are two other targets that are referred as top. So whenever I write underscore top, then you can see it is also redirected within a tab. And whenever I write parent, so the changes that are implemented in a web page will be as follows. So you can see. So what is the difference between the parent and the top? Whenever you want to implement the things of parents and top, according to the user layout, it will manage the thing, and the parent target will implement the things according to the user by default layout, and the top will implement the things according to the top of the web page layout. So that's all from today's video. Hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, do subscribe my YouTube channel so I can